All right, people. This is Mosha coming to you again from the Mosha Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. This is the first Jamaican restaurant to be open in this country on this beach. I was the first restaurant in 2011 to come here. When I came to this spot, there was nobody else here in this spot right here. I was the only one here. Now everybody's here. So I have some brothers here. One of them, two of them is my brothers. I'm not gonna identify no nationality because we're all brothers. So what's your name again, brother?
My name's Leon.
Leon. We're coming to Leon. Leon's gonna tell us. And Justin.
Justin.
And the Ghost. Okay. They're gonna give you a little testament. Okay. Leon, dig it.
So I came here because these two came here a day before, or 2 days ago, and they tried their food and they tell me about it. Like, this is amazing.
Yeah.
I said, well, let's get some food.
Yeah.
So yesterday I came here. When I taste that food, my God, I was like, I'm not eating anywhere else while I'm here.
Boom shakatak.
You don't understand.
Wow.
This guy's a food genius.
Jesus Christ.
I've
Thank
been
you,
in the
brother.
mountains of Jamaica.
Wow.
And I ate with some of the best.
Wow.
And
Wow.
this is not a commercial or like most. This is real thing.
I appreciate
If it was
that.
not good, I'd be like, tell him, put that away. I don't
Yeah.
like to be on camera.
Yeah.
I'm doing this for him because the food is too good for you guys not to experience it.
Wow.
So come here
Thanks.
and eat some of this food.
Thanks.
Whatever he wants to feed you, just take it.
That- wow,
Don't tell him just whatever he wants to feed you.
Oh my goodness.
Just take it.
Yes.
Just take it.
Yes.
Go ahead, bro.
Thanks, buddy. Respect. Maximum Rastaman.
Maximum Rasta.
Blessed love.
Yeah, best of luck.
Justin, your turn now.
Bless up. All right.
Bless up, Justin, my big bad brother.
GT.
No, we don't know that. We are one family. We don't
All right.
identify
Let
nothing.
me tell you something. Science, 30 seconds. Water got the
Take your time, good boy.
water got the ability to retain information. Reason why your
Whoa.
mother and your grandmother food so good is because
Hold on.
Water molecule.
I wonder if you get what he just said. He says water has the ability to retain information. That's science. Go ahead, brother.
science. So the reason why your mother and your father food taste so good is because the love that emanates from that human being get absorbed in the food and you eat it and you feel the
Oh
love.
my God, that's a
And
wicked
when
company.
I eat this brother's
cooked
food,
with love.
I feel the love.
Oh
There's
my God.
no lie.
Oh my.
I seen this man kitchen. I cook.
Yeah.
Nobody who don't love people and don't love food
Wow.
cooks like this. Like he loves people and
Wow.
he loves food. And if you eat his food, you will understand what I'm
Thank you, Justin.
Bless him.
Thank you. You know, Justin, I want to tell you something. The Most High, you have identified what I wrestle with every night. I wrestle to do the right thing in my life, in everything that I do. And this is why when people come to my place, if they have the mind of the beast, I don't want them here. Okay? Because they won't appreciate what I'm doing.
No.
No.
I believe you,
The Ghost, my man, the Ghost.
I'm not gonna say much
Ghost, man.
because I'm a ghost. I like to remain as such.
Yes.
But that's my brother here.
Yes, Ghost.
Moshas, my brother.
Yes, I.
So, listen, this food is so good, I'm speechless. I'm so full, and I still want to eat. That's when you know that's good food.
Thank you. Thank you.
Food is so good, I'm full, brother.
Yes.
And I
Still picking at the
still
fish
want
shack.
to eat.
Wow.
Still picking on the fish
I
head.
don't care where you're at. You're looking at this, you need to get here in the Dominican Republic and come right here.
Before Mosha move.
Man,
Yes, before we take him away.
listen,
Yeah.
Before we steal
we
Mosha,
pray.
take him.
We pray for more life, more blessings, more for Mosha.
Bless the
So
Lord.
when you come, you'll be,
Right, sir.
when you come, he'll be right here. So
Thank you. Bless the
eat
Lord.
up the food.
Yes,
Bless
Rastaman.
up.
Yes, Rastaman. Ghost Rastaman. Boom.
Bless up.
Boom. Okay, so guys, you were saying, right? You wanted to take me to go to the States.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you something. I got so many people that come here and invited me. I got offered $250,000 to come back to the States to supervise, not even food. The guy that came here said, Mosha, I watch you, how you handle your place and your food. And he owns about 100 or more construction companies
Wow.
in the United States, all over the country. And he was so impressed just by watching me cooking and tasting my food. He said, I got so many supervisors. I would put you to supervise all of them.
General manager.
And you get $250,000, get anything you want.
Nice.
And I told him, I don't want to go back.
That's a suit job.
I was like, I don't want to go back to the
No
States.
suits job.
Listen, I want to do something to help people.
Yes.
So these brothers was telling me, you know, about, go ahead, you guys were saying something until you,
Yes.
I paused it.
That's what we're doing.
Go ahead.
We're gonna change the world.
Yes,
It's time.
it's time.
Time.
It's
It's our
time.
time.
I want to do it through food,
Yes.
and I can.
You can.
Food is a universal language,
Yes.
like
Yes.
like food is a universal language like music.
Yes.
It's respected if it's good everywhere. It
Yes.
don't matter where you are.
That's why it's good here.
Yeah. Yes.
And it transcends time.
Yes.
Good food transcends time,
And
but music
and
transcends time.
and nature and people and culture.
Yes.
You know, they would say, if I come to the States, if I go back into America, because I lived there almost 30 years, and I got tired of it, I saw what was coming to America. And when I left them, I went to NYU, guys, and I studied screenwriting and computer science.
Nice.
So this is my advocation.
Yes.
But this is just to show you, you know, as a matter of fact, I'm going to switch a little bit. I had a guy come here, a couple of Jamaican, and they told me they did not know this was a restaurant, just the way the place was set up. They thought it was a furniture store.
Because they want all the furniture. in
Yes,
there.
because
I saw some pieces I want.
Yes, because everything I do is an art.
Yes.
I had a girl that was working for me. I'm going to tell you something off the track a little bit. Very beautiful woman. Her husband owns a restaurant in Cabarete, right? And she said she watched me cook, and she said, you know, Mosha. I said, why are you looking at me like? She was like, just watching you cook. I want to have sex with you.
Nice.
I said, Sandra, shut up. I said, get out of here. She said, no, I'm serious.
Nice.
Just the way you moving, the way you doing.
It's so sensual.
She said, I never see nobody. I see people cook, but not like what. And I never understood what she's saying. But sometimes I think about it because my goal is to struggle. When I lay down and put my head on my bed every night, is to be a better person and to make sure that everything I do, people see it and feel the compassion in what I'm doing.
Yes. Yes.
I want to bring people mind to the Creator in everything that I do, because the Creator is within us.
Yes.
We don't need nobody to teach us nothing.
No.
Because I didn't go to school for this.
Nope.
And listen to all these brothers love the food.
Yes.
And all of these brothers you see sitting here, they're all engineers. Okay? Okay, these three brothers,
And we know food.
these are engineers.
Yes.
We
Okay?
know food. I am a cook. I didn't say nothing.
No, but these
I
are,
am a cook.
and he's a cook. But
know
all these
food.
brothers are no jingback.
We're Renaissance men.
We're the sons.
Okay.
We
So
do it all.
Okay, so look at this brother right here. Look at this brother. Look at this brother.
I'm enjoying.
They're all intelligent people. So they're not telling you anything
And we're
to
not
make
talking just talking about the food. We eating it on camera.
That's right. Okay, so they are sitting here encouraging me because I was just telling them I'm not into money. And what was you saying about helping out people again?
You need money.
Let me tell you something. Just put the camera on me. Everybody wants a utopia. Everybody wants the world to be a better place. You want the world to be a better place? Support good people.
Yep.
This is a good man.
Thank you.
Support his business.
Thank
That's
you.
it.
That's it. That's simple.
Thank you.
You know, that's simple. Currency gives you leverage, and it's all about how you use it.
Yeah.
People say money is the root of all evil. I don't agree.
No.
The love of
It ain't.
money.
People,
He said the love.
certain people,
I wouldn't
when they
even say
have
that.
money, become evil.
Yeah.
But they were already evil before they had the money.
That's
Money is
true.
a thing.
So
it's a
money is
thing.
a
It's
thing.
a
The
tool.
thing
Yeah.
cannot make you
Yeah,
evil.
it cannot have a good or bad reference.
No.
A chair cannot be good or
chair
bad.
cannot be good or
Sand
bad.
cannot be
No.
good or bad. It's a thing.
It's a thing.
People, when they get money, if they were already a bad person,
Yeah.
then you really see how bad
see
they
how
are.
bad they are.
You know what?
Money gives you an opportunity to be
see it.
more of yourself.
You know
Money's a
what?
microscope.
The brothers were saying something about money because I was saying I got invited, and he said that if you don't have money, you can't influence and help your people. And what he says strikes home because the people that are running the world right now, like George Soros, Rockefeller, all of these
Tell it.
people, they are millionaires.
Tell it.
And look,
Millionaires.
and all these people are, they control everything.
Yep.
The big corporations, so they have influence with the money. And what he says, it's time for us to get ourselves together, like the same like these people
Yep.
and make a difference in the world.
Yes.
So they changed my mind right now. Now I have a different agenda.
Yes.
Thanks to these three brothers, because right now,
Bless.
I'm telling the truth. I can just me
on
right now.
black.
Bless.
I'm gonna tell you people listening something. There's a lot of people that comes to this country and they started channels and they give advice, and that's a good thing. But I've been here 10 years. Like I said, I was the first Jamaican restaurant in this island.
Man.
2011.
Man.
When I took this spot right here, there was no other business. And look now,
Wow.
look guys, look people,
Wow.
look here
Tell you
now.
something, brother.
People
look
like
here.
to attach to good energy.
There was
Tell you
no
something,
business.
brother. You have a responsibility. Because guess what? The Most High, Jah, whoever you believe in, He did not allow enlightenment
Yes.
to come into your mind
Yes.
for free.
Thank you. You're
You
right.
have a responsibility.
Yes,
I'm
I agree.
stealing some of his food.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm so full, bro.
I agree.
Take whatever you want.
Bro,
Go take whatever you want, bro.
I'm sitting here.
Take
I'm
whatever
sitting
pieces
here
you want, please.
exhausted
Just
from
return the
this
plate when you
food.
got it.
The
Listen,
food is so good.
you have a
And I'm the
responsibility.
skinny one in the team. And
Yeah,
I'm the skinny one.
You have a responsibility
yeah.
to enlighten others.
You're right.
And you need to have resources to enlighten the masses.
I agree.
If you had the resources of Jeff Bezos, then the world would be a better place
Absolutely.
in a 24-hour
Absolutely,
period.
absolutely.
And so that's why I tell him like when people talk about how much aid has been given to Africa, and I say, if I had that kind of money, I could have fixed the problems in Africa.
Yeah, instead of giving them
in
food,
5
fix
to
their
10
problem.
years,
They can
it
fix-
would have been a United States of Africa with highways connecting every African country.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're giving people
It's just
food,
the
they can
wrong
feed
people
themselves.
got the money
Teach them how to grow
and the
their own
influence,
food.
but we need to have the money and influence. We need to work together to have the money and influence.
Yeah.
Let's work together to have the money and
So
influence.
they giving me because I reached a stage where I can leave I left my house in the States and go out and lock it up and come here with nothing. And right now, this spot is the number one here, thanks to the Most High.
Yes.
And check this out. If you want to change what's going on right now, you need to change the way you think.
Yes.
You need to change the matrix. For me, cooking food is a way to get attention to the people so they can understand, so that I can speak to them. Like you have a famous reggae artist. Everybody listens to him.
Yes.
And now I got people come here. I got a guy, he was a chef. Hear this story. He asked me to make him some soup, some vegetarian soup. And his friend, he was like about 10 of them. And he saw the restaurant and he stopped. And in the evening when he was ready to leave, you know what he said to me? He called me over and he said to me, he said, you know what? I am an international chef. I'm in charge of over 100 restaurants in Europe. And he said, I have never tasted any soup like this.
Yep.
And I swear to you, I just make him a veggie soup.
Yep. And he would come back and learn.
Real simple.
tell
Something
you.
real simple.
He's probably in
Listen.
Europe trying to recreate that soup.
Yes.
The
Right now.
universe operates more than just particles.
Yeah.
Yes.
The universe operates on particle and wave.
Yes.
And both have an influence on our universe and how we perceive it.
Yes, right.
You're more wave than particle.
That's right.
And so what you do affects the particle. And he sensed that. He may not understand. He might not
true.
have understanding.
True that.
But that's what he enjoys. He enjoys your positive energy.
Yeah, what I do is spiritual. What I do is spiritual.
I know.
What I do is spiritual. It's not just about food.
I know.
It's a spiritual thing for me.
It's obvious. Tasting the food. Dude, even the rice.
Right.
Even the rice and peas, man.
Yeah.
Ain't no rice left. Ain't no rice left. If there was rice left, I'd eat more rice. You know rice left.
Yo guys, this is the longest video I've ever made. And you know why I make this video? Because these guys, I got a lot of videos on YouTube. And all the people who come here are special. But these guys is in a special place in my life and in my videos because I grabbed them out of coincidence. I didn't really grab them. It's not a coincidence that they happened to come here, but it was meant to be that. Anyway, good people, watch this now. I'm gonna leave you with this. If you treat people the way you would like to be treated, the people that's running the world would never have a chance to do it.
Never.
And because you know why? If you can do that, then you stop thinking about yourself. As simple as it is, thinking about treating somebody the way you would like to be treated, it's as simple as not being selfish about wanting everything for yourself. So I'll leave you with that. Boom shakatak, one love, the world is like a mirror, reflecting what you do. If your face it smile back at you. Rastaman vibration.